Hey guys, I literally just bought this fidget spinner, so I'm gonna be just like doing some stuff with it. I'm gonna go and close the curtains because the lighting is so annoying. So this one I'm making the light go through. That's more like it. So I got the yellow and red one. I love it so much. Why is it going like so slow on here when it's actually going fast in real life? Too fast for you. Literally, it's going way. Ugh. I'm not the best. There we go. It's going way faster than that. So yeah, I love fidget spinners. I'm not a big fan of fidget cubes. Yeah. So yeah, everyone who has a fidget spinner, go smash it into the thumbs up button. So we do some things. So the first thing I'm gonna be doing is this. And actually, guys, it looks like it's going slow on the camera, but actually it's going quite fast. Okay, the next thing I have to do is try and get my pinky in one of the holes. No. Oh, my finger. Nope. No. 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 I can kind of look in the camera and see where it is. There. So yeah, go get your fidget spinners and smash that like button. And I'll see you next time. Goodbye.